Dank, Herr Davies. Guten Morgen, everyone. Turn around and say Guten Morgen to each other. Hallo. Okay, of course, it wouldn't be our fantastische Deutschstunde without our greeting song. So everyone, please stand up, okay? At this point, Herr Davies, again, I know we only have these once a week, but this is the fourth time doing it. Should we do the instrumental version or the lyric version? I'm going to let you decide.
We'll go for the instrumental this week then.
Oh, fantastic, okay? So remember all the actions, and of course, I've got my good friends Felix and Franzi here to join me, okay? So when you're ready, Herr Davies, let's sing along to the song. Hallo Felix, hallo Franzi, hallo guten Morgen, hallo guten Tag. Sehr gut. Let's sing nice and proud one more time. Hallo Felix, hallo Franzi, hallo guten Morgen, hallo guten Tag. Ooh, a cappella this time. Look at us, we're so professional, aren't we? Fantastische Arbeit, gut gemacht. Okay, let's see what our friends Felix and Franzi have in store with us. Okay, so last week we did some excellent work on our German sounds. So we need to kind of get out of the state of mind of, oh, I see the AU sound combination. I'm going to pronounce it as if it were an English or a Welsh sound. 999, das ist Deutsch. So let's remind ourselves with our actions. What did we do for the AU sound? Ow, we went, ow. Genau. Remember, no bruised arms this week, no injuries in my German class, okay? For or, remember you're having an idea. Oh, genau. For remember you're thinking a little bit confused. Genau. And then for ooh, we go ooh, ooh, ooh. Genau. Remember? Ooh. Exactly. So remember those sounds. Keep those sounds in mind because we're going to see it with a little bit of a challenge I've set for you diese Woche. Let's have a look. Okay. Eigentlich ist Felix, hallo Felix, Felix ist der Frosch, okay, Frosch. Und Franzi is a enter, die Ente. So two new animals for you this week, der Frosch und die Ente, okay? But this time, you need to use your German sounds that you practiced last week to fill in the missing colors. So use the pronunciation help and your knowledge of colors to try and fill in as many of those gaps as you can. A bit of a challenge, but I know you can do it. Sind wir bereit? Okay, eine Minute, los geht's. Off you go. Okay, und wir sind bereit in 5, 4, 3, 2 und 1. Okay. Vielen Dank. Let's see how many of those you got right to describe our lovely Felix and Franzi. Okay, also Felix hier ist der grüne, rote und gelbe Frosch. Okay? Und hier, Franzi, ist die blaue, grüne, rote, braune und gelbe Ente. Okay? I think I was a little bit mean in giving rote, but if you can see in their little smile, you can see the little dimples for their cheeks and their smile there, and it's a little bit of red. So those eagle-eyed of you, fantastische Arbeit, okay? So we're going to stay connected to our German sounds because we're going to learn a few more this week, but in a slightly different context. Let's see, was ist unsere Agenda dieser Woche? Okay, so, Felix and Franzi, I'm just going to put you down for one moment. Vielen Dank. So, Nummer 1, we've reconnected with our previous learning. Fantastisch. Nummer 2, we're going to learn about an important German celebration that's coming up actually in a few days' time. And we're going to learn the names of some festive food auf Deutsch. Nummer 3, we're going to plan our party food for the celebrations. Und then finally, Nummer 4, we're going to host the party with our German Freunde, all of Felix and Franzi's Freunde aus Berlin, and of course do our amazing master quiz hosted by Herr Davies. Are we ready? Sind wir bereit?
Ready to go.
Fantastisch. Okay. Was haben wir jetzt? So, this week we are celebrating an important deutsches Fest, a German celebration. Frau Whittle, could I rope you in for our German conversation, unser Dialog? Vielen Dank. Okay, let's have a look. Frau Whittle, können Sie bitte Franzi spielen? Entschuldigung, Felix spielen und ich bin Franzi, okay? So, bitteschön.
Franzi, was machen wir heute?
Felix, wir planen eine Party.
Eine Party? Fantastisch. Warum?
Wir haben bald das Fest vom Sankt Nikolaus. Okay? So anyone can, if you can see, we've got those funny German sounds in there for our key German celebration this year. Nikolaus. Can everyone say it for me? Nikolaus.
Nikolaus.
Genau, fantastisch. Okay, so we're planning a party for Sankt Nikolaus diese Woche. St. Nicholas Day is celebrated on the 6th of December, so it's this Friday. So you might want to think about actually how might you celebrate Sankt Nikolaus, Nikolaustag this week. Let's see how we're going to celebrate it. Okay, so Frau Whittle und Herr Davies, every time we see this bit at the top here, on St. Nick's Day we eat, okay? I'll model the pronunciation. I would like you to say, wir essen am Nikolaustag. So, all together, wir essen.
Wir essen
am Nikolaustag.
Am Nikolaustag.
Okay, everyone in your classrooms, have a go. Wir essen.
Wir essen
am Nikolaustag.
Am Nikolaustag.
Good, let's see if we can put it all together. Wir essen am
Nikolaustag.
Genau, wir essen am Nikolaustag. Okay, so when we see that at the top, I would like everyone to go, wir essen am Nikolaustag, okay, to introduce our food items we'll be learning this week. As you can see, we've got a bit of pronunciation help. We're not going to do the actions today in the interest of time, but of course you can do them privately in your classrooms, okay? So practice with me. Au.
Au.
Or.
Or.
And like we had with our word Freunde, the R in German is a bit rolled. It's okay if you can just go rrr at this point, but try and roll your R's by going rrr. Genau, sehr gut gemacht. Okay, so, Frau Whittle, Herr Davies, let's say the top bit together. Ready? Wir essen am Nikolaustag. Let's see what food item we have. Nikolausbrot. Frau Whittle,
Nikolausbrot.
Herr Davies, Nikolausbrot.
Nikolausbrot.
Genau, and everyone all together in your Klassenzimmer, Nikolausbrot. Genau, okay, so wir essen Nikolausbrot. Let's see what our next food item is. Alle zusammen und wir essen am Nikolaustag. Genau, so this time we have our A sound, O sound, and then sh. Okay, and this time we have Schokolade. Frau Whittle, Schokolade.
Schokolade.
Herr Davies, Schokolade.
Schokolade.
Genau. And alle zusammen, all together in your classrooms, Schokolade. Sehr gut gemacht. And just like we had with our colors, last we had graue, rote, blaue, gelbe. So don't forget to pronounce the E slightly, not like Schokolade, but Schokolade. Okay, Schokolade. Gut gemacht. Okay. Next food item. Alle zusammen und wir essen am Nikolaustag.
Nikolaustag.
Genau. So this time we have our ow sound and we have our o sound. So this time we have Nikolaus Haus. Frau Whittle, Nikolaus Haus.
Nikolaus Haus.
Herr Davies, Nikolaus Haus.
Nikolaus Haus.
Genau, und alle zusammen Nikolaus Haus. Fantastic. So you can hear the ow sound coming up to us. Nikolaus Haus. Okay? Now, remember, we don't have the E at the end. So we don't say Nikolaus Hause like we have in English, Nikolaus Haus. Okay? Just like we pronounce in English, Nikolaus Haus. Sehr gut gemacht. Okay, let's see our next food item. Okay? Alle zusammen und wir essen am Nikolaustag. Genau. And this time we have, like we had with ich, like ich bin, I am, we have the sound like a cat. Everyone hiss like a cat. Genau. Then we have not like the confused we have like a, like if you're saying to someone a. No. And then we have this, not this time u. We don't have the two dots. We have ooh. Genau. So this time we have Lebkuchen. Frau Whittle, Lebkuchen. Genau. Herr Davies,
Lebkuchen.
Fantastisch. Okay, alle zusammen in your Klassenzimmer. Lebkuchen. Fantastisch. Gut gemacht. Okay. Let's see. Keep this word Kuchen in mind because we might see it on our next food item all together. And wir essen am Nikolaustag. Genau. So this time we have au, or, and then ooh, not ooh, okay? And this time we have Nikolauskuchen. So we had Lebkuchen, and this time we have Nikolauskuchen. Frau Whittle, Nikolauskuchen.
Nikolauskuchen.
Sehr schön. Herr Davies, Nikolauskuchen.
Nikolauskuchen.
Sehr schön. Und alle zusammen Nikolauskuchen. Gut gemacht. Super. Und letztes, ich glaube, wir haben alle zusammen und wir essen am Nikolaustag. Sehr schön. We've got lots of different sounds here. So we've got a, o, r, st, st. The ST in German a little bit tricky. We're not going st, st. So it's almost like going st, st. Genau, and then ooh. So all together, here we have Apfelstrudel. Apfelstrudel. Frau Whittle, Apfelstrudel.
Apfelstrudel.
Sehr schön. Herr Davies, Apfelstrudel.
Apfelstrudel.
Sehr schön. Really give it some gust. Einatmen, breathe in, and Apfelstrudel. Apfelstrudel, genau. Personally, mein Lieblingsessen. It's my favorite food to eat and my favorite food to say as well. It's very fun. Apfelstrudel. Okay, so let's see how well we've committed to those to our memory. Oh nein! Wir können unser Essen nicht essen. Our party's not ready because I can't see the names of the food items. So, remember your sounds. We had sh, sht, oo, r, sh, all of those. See if you can remember which words are missing in each of our food items. Sometimes if you look at the next food item on the table, it might give you a clue. So, 30 Sekunden, 30 seconds. Let's see if we can remember our Essen für Nikolaustag. Okay, los geht's. Okay, und 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see how well you managed to remember those. So we're going to have the big reveal in 3, 2, 1. Wow, okay, so Herr Davies und Frau Whittle, can you say the bit at the top with me together? Und wir
Essen
zusammen. Okay, wir essen zusammen Nikolausbrot,
Nikolausbrot,
Schokolade,
Schokolade,
Nikolaushaus.
Nikolaushaus.
I've put the das in there because technically we don't just say sort of gingerbread house in general. We would say the gingerbread house or a gingerbread house if it was ein. So das Nikolaushaus. Okay, dann haben wir Lebkuchen.
Lebkuchen,
Nikolauskuchen,
Nikolauskuchen,
Apfelstrudel.
Apfelstrudel.
And there we have it. Here is our party zum Nikolaustag. But who is going to eat all of this food with us? I certainly couldn't manage it on my own. Frau Whittle, isst du das alles allein?
Nicht alles, vielleicht ein
No.
Lebkuchen.
No, not a lot. Herr Davies, do you think you can manage this food all on your own?
Well, perhaps. No, I wouldn't have thought so.
on a certain day, you know, Christmas season is coming, okay?
Absolutely.
So, was haben wir? Who are we going to eat this with? Can you have a guess? Let's have a big reveal. Big drama. Ja, das ist unsere Freunde aus Berlin. Der Panda, der Elefant, der Papagei, der Affe, die Giraffe und das Krokodil. So let's see what happens when we eat it all together. Let's have a practice. Of course, we couldn't have a German lesson together without a dialogue. Okay, so Felix and Franzi, you're coming back into the picture. Eine Sekunde. Okay, Frau Whittle and Herr Davies are going to have to be very coordinated here, okay? So I'm going to be Felix and Franzi. I'm going to do the pink dialogue, and you're going to somehow magically say the blue bit of dialogue together. Alles klar? Okay, so, hallo, guten Morgen.
Guten Tag.
Wir planen eine Party zum Nikolaustag.
Fantastisch. Was essen wir?
Wir essen am Nikolaustag Schokolade.
Cool. Wir essen Nikolausbrot.
Can everyone in your Klassenzimmer, can you please give a round of applause to Frau Whittle and Herr Davies for doing that absolutely perfectly in sync? Genau, Applaus, gut gemacht, gratuliere. So here we have Felix and Franzi eating Schokolade, and we have das Krokodil und der Elefant eating Nikolausbrot. Let's see what happens when we eat, of course, more than one food item. Okay, so, same thing. Aber Herr Davies und Frau Whittle, ihr seid der Panda und die Giraffe this time, okay? Hallo, guten Morgen.
Guten Tag.
Wir planen eine Party zum Nikolaustag.
Fantastisch. Was essen wir?
Wir essen am Nikolaustag Lebkuchen und das Nikolaushaus.
Cool. Wir essen
Apfelstrudel.
Genau. Frau Whittle, was würdest du essen? Apfelstrudel und was noch?
Lebkuchen.
Ah, Apfelstrudel und Lebkuchen. Herr Davies, what would you eat? You'd eat Apfelstrudel und?
Or Nicolaus house, I think. That's my favorite word
Nikolaus
to
Haus.
say.
Yeah, very fun. Nikolaus Haus. I agree. Ich stimme mit dir überein. Okay, so now that we've seen our dialogue in practice, you know what's coming. We've done this before. Let's have a big reveal. Und genau. Okay, Felix und Franzi, gut gemacht. I'm just going to put you away for a moment. Ihr habt 2 Minuten with your food items to get into your dialogue. Now, a little bit different this time. Can you all, first of all, partner up or get into groups of 3 if that's easier? Partner up. And then I'd like you to actually sit in a group of 4 or more as though you were at your own big party, your big Essen for St. Nikolaustag, and actually discuss in pairs what you're eating, because it's not about ich, it's not about I this week, it's about wir, we are eating, okay? Alles klar? I'll give you just 5 more seconds to get yourselves organized before we start the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 2 Minuten. Off you go. As many different food items as you can. Los geht's. Okay, und 5, 4, 3, 2 und 1. Gut gemacht. Okay, can you all give yourselves a round of applause for practicing that really fantastic vocabulary? Super. I know it can be slightly tricky with all of the sounds, but remember what I've said, it's always the effort that counts. It's about playing with the language and being confident. Frau Whittle, what is your favorite word to say out of the food items we've learnt this week?
Ich glaube Schokolade.
Schokolade, genau. Das ist eigentlich wie Englisch Schokolade. It's a very relaxing word to say. Herr Davies, we know you said Nikolaus Haus. Is that still the case for you?
Nicolaus house is my favorite word to say, but I'd have to agree with Frau Whittle that Schokolade is my favorite food on the list.
Genau. Ich glaube, für mich esse ich gern Schokolade und Apfelstrudel, okay? And remember, this week you could perhaps think about what food item you could all eat together as a class to celebrate Nikolaustag. Nikolaustag is essentially, for Germans and anyone who lives in German-speaking countries, kind of the real start of Christmas celebrations. It's the start of when we start to eat a lot, celebrate a lot, and have lots of celebration and good time with family and friends. So, of course, we're going to put this all together in our fantastic quiz. Ich glaube, das kommt next. Oh, but of course, how can I forget? We absolutely must celebrate the last 4 Wochen of our German Look at how much Deutsch you've actually acquired from the last 4 lessons. Once again, I think you all need to give yourselves a bit of Beifall and applause. Vielen Dank. Your commitment to this has been really heartening, and I think, to be honest, you're all fantastic Deutsch speakers. You really are.